Compression feels like the hardest part of mixing. It's subtle, invisible, and sounds technical, but once you understand this one concept, it clicks. Compression is just volume, and in the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how to stop guessing and actually use a compressor. Pillar one, let's stop calling it compression. That word just sounds intimidating. Let's call it what it is, an automatic volume fader. Just imagine someone sitting at the volume fader, turning the music down when it gets too loud. That's what compression does, but automatically. So pillar two, why even use a compressor? Well, you do it to make your track feel balanced and consistent. If your bass player played unevenly, some notes loud, some soft, a compressor helps them even out. If your vocal disappears in the mix, compression tames the peaks and lifts the quiet parts so the whole thing feels more present and stable. Then pillar three, so why is it so confusing then? Well, likely because of all these dials here, but there's really only four you need to know. The threshold, this is like your on-off gatekeeper. Any sound above this level gets turned down. Too low and you're compressing everything. Too high and you're compressing nothing. Ratio, this controls how much the sound is reduced once it hits the threshold. It's not important to get technical here, but just remember that high ratios make compression more audible and aggressive, while low ratios are better for subtle compression. Attack is how fast you should turn the volume down when it hits your threshold. Release is kind of like easing off the brakes. It controls how fast the volume returns to normal after being turned down. So if you want a vocal that sounds smooth and controlled, lower the threshold with a gentle ratio and a medium attack release. You want a snare that punches through the mix? Use a slower attack so that the transient, the hit, gets through first. Okay, so pillar four, how do you hear it? This is the hardest part for beginners because you have to feel it. Sure, you can watch this needle bounce here and you definitely will want to see that needle bounce, but here's the test. Too much compression is lifeless, flat, there's no movement. Too little or none, it feels spiky, inconsistent, and hard to balance. Just right, glued, controlled, but still alive. That sweet spot is something you'll develop the more you tweak and listen. Don't expect to nail it the first time. If you want to go deeper, click the link in the description for a free Logic production template where I show you how to produce a radio-ready song from scratch, or dive in right now with this video here.